What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subie fam. This is your boy B Cabral. We got Juanito and Zach here today. We're gonna be installing some Perrin spacers on Subie. We're gonna be clean. Let's jump into it. Alright guys, so fast forward a few days, everything's on. I'm loving the way it looks. Now for the Perrin spacers, make sure you guys torque that to 88 foot-pounds of torque, and then drive about 10 to 15 miles and come back and retorque that, just to make sure everything's tight and driving smooth. No shaking on the wheel, high speeds, turns nice. Feels awesome. It really does.
Don't feel no difference.
Don't feel no difference. It looks great with the kit, with the S209 kit. On the kit, we did have to customize it a little bit ourselves because my STI comes with this piece right here. So we just had to move this up a little bit, you know, kind of do everything ourselves, fit it nice. Came out good. I love it. But if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you catch the next one. Thanks. Subie fam out.